Today I got a product that I think is worth getting for your Xbox Series S or even X, which is the WD Black C50, which is coming from Western Digital, which is an expansion card for your console. Because let's be honest, the storage we get currently with the standard stock storage with the Xbox Series S and X is about 150 gigabytes less than that's advertised. Now, not just that, but also there was the announcement of the expansion card coming from Seagate, which is an official Xbox license expansion card, which would cost you $229 to get that, and it's only 1 terabyte. Now, Xbox was kind of forced to basically allow other companies to also release their own expansion cards for the Xbox because, well, options are always a good thing. Now, the version I have here now is the 512 gigabyte option, which will cost you about $74, which of course this product will be linked in the description below, so if you are interested, go check it out. But this one I think is more than enough for my console. But if you do want to get 1 terabyte, that will cost you $149, which is about $100 less than the Seagate version. Now today we are not just going to be reviewing it, but we're also going to be showing you guys how you can actually set it up for your console, because you do have to do some configurations to do it. Now looking at the box, it does have a nice texture to it, which makes it more premium when it comes to the looks of it. And you can probably see that you can also get the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for free for a month, which is also a nice little touch to it. Which, let me know in the comments below, should I give that code away sometime soon? Okay, so right now we got the whole setup ready to basically show you guys how you can actually set the whole card up. Now, the way you have to install the card is to make sure your console is off. So let me show you how to do that. Now, make sure your console is off, and basically this is where we're going to be installing the card. Now, you can probably see there is a cover on the card right now, but we can just take that off. That is mostly just to protect it from any dirt or dust. And best way to make sure you don't mess it up with the first try to put it in, make sure the numbers are facing up, because that is the right way to put it in. And when you put it in, make sure there's a click so it is properly installed. Okay, so now once you've done everything that I just told you by installing everything, you can now go to your settings and see that you have successfully installed the expansion card. So go to your system, storage devices, and there we go. It will show up as a storage expansion card. And it's actually a decent amount of storage that you're going to get. Now it's going to be 455.9 gigabytes of storage you'll be having available on your side. And you can format the card depending on if you're going to be using this card for, let's say, taking it to a friend's house and plugging it into their console, because there is that way of having your favorite games installed. And if you want to show friends that you have the favorite game and you just want to show them how that game plays, you can take it out and do it like that. But the way I'm going to use this is just with this Xbox right now, so I'm not going to take it out and do that whole process. So this is going to be the best format you can have right now. But you can of course format it to do certain things. Of course, one of the things that's nice about this expansion card from Western Digital is that it does have the same functionality they have with normal integrated storage with the Xbox Series S or X, which it does have quick resume functionalities. So you can have a game that is installed on the expansion card, which will have the quick resume function. Let me know in the comments below, do you think this expansion card is very useful to have? And would you get yourself one of these cards? Because it is an affordable card to go for, especially with the version I have right now, which is obviously $74. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you guys around. Be safe as always. Comment down below what you have in mind. And see you guys next one. Bye.